is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell if you guys want to be alerted about any of our new and upcoming content when it's posted. And hit that join button, you guys, if you want to join the Shade Gang. We have a ton of added perks there, so be sure to check out those tiers, as well as merch. You guys, we've got a ton of Shade Gang merch that I don't want you guys to miss out on, so be sure to check out our store when you have time. All right. It's kind of creepy in here, right? Getting kind of goosebumpy or something. I don't know what is going on, but my shoes have been taken over by these zombies or whatever. Anyways, if you can tell, this is the Yeezy Boost 380 highlights. These are the non-glow-in-the-dark ones, unfortunately. So these are not going to glow for you guys, but it does look like they're bright enough to glow in the dark. This is another color addition to the 380. We have seen so many different color renditions in this silhouette. So if you guys have not checked out my 380 silhouettes that I've already gone through, be sure to go back and check out those videos. So we are going to start off with an overview of the highlight. Then I'm going to talk about sizing. Then we're going to get into how I styled this really bright neon shoe. And then we are going to conclude with how the shoe is doing on the resale market currently. So let's jump into the overview, shall we? This is a bright shoe, and I have a very bright matching top that really actually may be the exact same colorway. There is prime knit all throughout the shoe. It's actually unraveling on the back there. So I don't know what's going on there, but I don't like that. Looks like some of the stitching maybe wasn't perfectly stitched or got snagged on something. One thing about prime knit is it does potentially get snagged on certain things, so you have to be careful with it. The prime knit coloring all throughout the shoe is this bright kind of pop of neon lemon yellow with bright neon greens. We've kind of got this like mustardy brown yellow that's interwoven within that prime knit. Again, we've got that self-lacing lock system here. Again, if you guys are wanting to put on the other regular laces that the shoe comes with, looks like we've got it in this nice kind of lemony yellow color tone, which I think goes great with this color scheme. You will have to cut those laces off, unfortunately. So be sure you make your decision wisely on that.
Decide wisely.
All right. As far as the insole goes, we have a bright lime green insole with the Yeezy Adidas. And we've got this interesting kind of steel gray midsole going on that goes onto the outsole in the color scheme. And we have the boost that shows through on the bottom there. And then we've got this kind of, it looks like the zombies actually kind of gooed through the shoe and made those perforated holes on the side.
Oh, crap!
And, you know, it's got that nice pop of lime green coloring scheme there. And that is pretty much it. Besides, like, there's a little bit of kind of a cream colorway dabbled in there as well. Interesting color scheme, definitely kind of on this lining. It's like a sock lining that really fits to the ankle. That's also kind of got that natural kind of creamish coloring scheme as well. Definitely I think, acquired taste for this type of a color if you love wearing neon colors. But other than that, we are going to jump into sizing. All right, so as far as sizing goes, I do tend to go half a size up with the 380 silhouette. I feel like the toe box is extremely tight fitted, very narrow. And so for me personally, I do like to go half a size up just to have that extra space in the toe box region. Other than that, depending on the shape of your foot, again, I have narrow, high arched feet. So that will also decipher what size you do decide to go with in the end. All right, let's jump into styling. Talk about how I styled these bright, colorful shoes, shall we? All right, starting off with my Icelandic brand, Katla. This is a great brand, you guys. If you don't know about it, I will leave links in the bottom, but definitely check them out. This is probably the most perfect color match for this shoe. And that's basically why I decided to wear this for the first option. I paired that with just some basic leggings in black, some Lululemon leggings. And obviously, I feel like this is definitely a great shoe to go matchy-matchy with. Bart, you actually matched this shoe to a T, I'm not gonna lie.
My shorts.
What can I say? I love me some matchy-matchy.
Has it finished? Why are you asking me now? What type of question is that? Is the album finished or do we have a few more songs to go? Like oh, we are not done yet. Okay. No, I've heard you, Sha. What is all this ruckus? Tell me.
All right, so next up, I decided to go with a faux fur coat from Sick Silk, and I paired that with just some nice gray denim pants. I do see that there's some nice kind of steel grays going on in that midsole, so I think that that was a perfect combination.
Undercover, then they call me, yes, so boom, bye, yeah. Thanks for waiting, better move my way. Stop the hating, no debating, here's the truth I said. On your mark, get set and go. Mind the line like a rectangle. I'll be fine if they let man go. Go's been good, had to let man know. Ain't no need to finesse and goes. They don't see what the left hand knows. I don't need what the next man shows. I say, go side. Love me, mother. Send $1. That's just all I say. Undercover, then they call me. Yes, so boom, bye, yeah. Thanks for waiting. Better move my way. Stop the hating, no debating. Here's the truth I say. Go side. Go side. Go side. Go side.
And for the last and final look, I wore a Helmet Lang hoodie in kind of a charcoal lighter gray, because as you guys know, I love me some black and sometimes dark gray.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
And I paired that with some white pants. I wanted to give you a different option that was kind of lighter. I do feel like this could potentially be a great spring shoe because of the pops of bright colors in it. So definitely something to hold on to, I feel like, past the winter fall seasons. I think this will be a great color for the summer spring.
I know what they're just gonna say. Got the nerve to come in my lane. I won't give you none of my time. Keep that energy for my space. Don't you hate, don't you violate me. I got 100 more, so don't make me. By the time we done, you gon' rate me. And it's for the sun, so don't make me opae. This right here is a whole party. No talks with an enemy, no parlay. Tell the old guy and the old Charlie. We just want vibe and go our way. Sing about God, he the most high great.
All right, so now let's jump into resale. So these shoes retailed for $230, and currently, you know, you probably get these around that price point or a little bit below, depending on your size. If you're a size 13, that's the only size I would say that's kind of out of line from the other price points. But other than that, if you didn't get these, now's your chance to hop on it. So
Shoe brick!
yeah, they did kind of brick. That's right. But yeah, that is the video for today. Stay tuned for the duet with the zombie clan. I don't know what to call this group. It's like Zombie NSYNC, Zombie Backstreet Boys. I have no clue what we're going to sing together, but stay tuned to see who we are going to sing to give you guys a clue as to who the next guest and shoe will be. So again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up at the end. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have on this shoe today, as well as hit the notification bell. We do have a ton of content coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. And hit that join button down below so that you guys can check out all of our new perks that we have added for our Shade Gang members, as well as hit that merch, you guys. We've got a ton of merch coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. Shall we get to this duet, guys? If they don't eat me, hopefully I can sing with them.
Da 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 da.
You can't sit with us. Oh, smash subscribe.